Ness-ana TV. Hello, who's there? It's my friends. Welcome back to the class. Today we'll be learning jobs and professions with Ben the robot and Rosie the spider. Jobs and profession. Can you say that? Hello, Mrs. Rosie. Can you tell boys and girls what you do for a living?
I am a tailor.
Wow! Let's see what a tailor looks like. Tailor. This is a tailor. A tailor makes dress. Tailor. Can you repeat? Hello, Mr. Ben. Can you tell us what do you do for a living?
I am an engineer.
Whoa! Alright, let's see what an engineer looks like. This is an engineer. An engineer designs and makes machines. Engineer, can you say that? Woo! Very good. Tailor. Tailor. Engineer. Engineer or engineer. Tailor. Engineer. Very good. Alright, boys and girls, you've done a great job. Alright, let's take it again. Hello, Mrs. Rosie. Can you please show us who an engineer looks like? Wow, this is an engineer. Alright, Mr. Ben, it's your turn. Can you please show us who a tailor looks like? Very good. Tailor. Alright, boys and girls, you've done a great job. I hope you can now tell who an engineer and a tailor looks like. Bye. See you next time. Ness-ana